Hello everyone, my name is Yagnesh Patel and welcome back to my channel. Today's topic for this video is option trading. Since last few days we are talking and discussing about option trading, and especially if you are a buyer of options. So we just spoke in last video, if you are a buyer, you need a speed in market, whether market is going up or maybe going down. So as like in today's market on 1st August, Nifty and Bank Nifty was cracking very badly and moving down with very rapid speed. So if, as an option trader, it is an opportunity for you and you can able to trade well and make money in intraday basis also. So let's move forward to the charts and see how market reacted and how the option strike price have shown movement. So let me share my screen with you. One second. So you can see my screen now, and we will first see the chart of Bank Nifty. This is a 15-minute chart, and the first candle, from very first candle, we have seen a downfall with speed, another downfall till the 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon. We have seen good fall in Bank Nifty. We have now the move to chart Nifty futures and 15-minute charts. From the 9:15 we have seen fall and again fall. So till the 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon, we have seen Nifty and Bank Nifty was cracked down and bleeding badly. So as an option trader, you have this opportunity. So let's move forward to the options chart, with starting of 28,800 put option. And we have seen since the morning it was trading around 140 150 levels and shooted up to almost 700 levels. So this is a multi-bagger trade in option. Likewise, another trade, 28,500 put option, which was also trading around 70-80 bucks. Okay, and moved and went up to 460 450 level. It's one more another multi-bagger trade. 28,000 put option, 28,400 put option, which was trading around 39, 40, 50 levels and shooted up to all the way 350 levels. So this is a kind of multi-bagger stock and trade in a intraday basis. As an option trader, you need to have a strategy, and if you don't able to timing the trade entry and exit part, it will be very difficult for you to make money in option trading as a buyer of options. So we have seen very good, tremendous move in put options, and on the second part, last part, in the last 45 minutes, Nifty and Bank Nifty was recovered very smartly from the lower levels with very rapid, fast move. So let's see the call option chart of Bank Nifty 28,100 call option, which was also trading around near 70, 75 level, shooted up to almost 270 to 50 levels, which was also one kind of multi-bagger in last 45 minutes. Okay, let's move forward to 28,200 put option, which was also trading around 2630 point level and shooted up to almost 150 level. Another one more multi-bagger trade in the intraday basis. And one more 28,300 call option, which was almost trading around 1 rupees or 2 rupees and moved up to 68 rupees, 68 times. So can you believe it? This type of trade you can get in option trading if you can able to time the option very well. So today's video is all about the timing of the option. If we have a very good rapid speed in the market. So I hope you guys can learn from this video. If you like this video, comment and share. And we have one announcement. We are coming up with 2-day workshop in Bangalore City. Dates are 31st August and 1st September. If you are from Bangalore City, you can register. I will put my contact detail in the description box, so you can able to contact me properly.